Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. A clutch pressure plate is a part of the clutch set on a manual transmission car. It has the important function of holding the clutch disc against the flywheel while the clutch is engaged, but also to separate it from the flywheel so you can shift gears. To simplify, it's a mechanical lever system that lets you shift gears and drive at the same time. The pressure plate malfunctions mostly due to material fatigue, although it has a longer service life than the clutch disc. When the clutch pressure plate malfunctions, it can render the car undriveable, so it's good to notice this issue on time and avoid bigger problems. This video should help recognize this problem on time, so stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. A hard clutch pedal. At the beginning of a problem with the clutch pressure plate, you'll notice that the clutch pedal is becoming harder to press. At first, it will be barely noticeable, but the clutch pedal will become harder and stiffer over time. Also, the pedal may be stiff and hard only at a certain point when you press the pedal. Difficulty in shifting gears. Besides the hard pedal, you'll notice tougher shifting. Despite the fact you press the clutch pedal fully, the shifter will seem stuck for a moment, and when you want to engage some other gear, you'll have to give the shifter a bit of a push. This symptom also gets worse over time. Shaking and jittering when releasing the clutch. After all this, the car will probably shake and jitter when you want to start driving. For instance, you're at a traffic light, you start releasing the clutch and the car moves, but it shivers, jitters, and later shakes. A squeaking or crunching noise when pressing the clutch pedal. One more sign of trouble is that you'll hear a distinct squeaking or even crunching sound when you press the clutch pedal. The sound is produced by the spring of the pressure plate, which is deformed or even broken. Know that a pressure plate in this condition can damage the release bearing also. The car violently shakes and is not drivable anymore. Finally, when the clutch pressure plate problem culminates and it fails totally, the car will, when you release the clutch, start violently shaking. The car will barely move, and you will also hear a loud thumping sound at the same time. The car at this point is not drivable anymore. You can try to drive it and you may succeed in accelerating, but know that this may cause serious damage to the whole clutch set and even to the transmission. So dear viewers, for the end of this video, the best time to solve this problem is when you notice a harder clutch pedal and tougher gear shifting. At this point, you have more than enough time to inspect and, if needed, replace the clutch pressure plate. Know that it is usual procedure to replace the whole clutch set, not only the clutch pressure plate, since on most cars this is a pretty complicated and time-consuming job. If you wait till the end to solve this problem, there's a good probability that you'll have to wait for road service to tow you. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.